Yeah. Where do you see it at? Oh, I see it. In my... Alright, try this again. Hi guys, my name is Charlene. What did I step on? And welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene. If you're new to my channel, my name is Charlene. I do videos on cooking, cleaning, baking, shopping, anything and everything in between. So, thank you for stopping. And if you already subscribed to my channel, thank you and welcome back. And in today's video, I'm at the Mayaca State River Park here in Florida. And looking for alligators, and saw some manatees, I guess, present. So, and I hope everybody's enjoying their Thursday, their day, and I don't know if you can see, there's an alligator. It's way in the back there. It's absolutely beautiful out here. There's some birds. Trying to catch some fish. I don't want to get... So far, I'm enjoying my vacation out here. Alright, I'm gonna jump off here. And I hope everybody enjoys their day, their weekend. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, thumbs up. And let me know if you want to see more videos like this. And thank you for taking the time to watch.